Okay. Oh, let me get this mic situated. Today we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to show you how to make your chord progressions instantly better if you're going for like a emotional NF type of rap beat. So we're going to be doing this in D minor, and the chord progression I'm going to use is 1, 6, 4, 5. So let's get started. Okay, so that's without the trick. And I'll just move these to get it timed. I should probably have the metronome playing the whole time so I can get it quantized, but whatever. Move this back. There we go. So it sounds like this right now. This was off. Okay. So the trick is to sharpen the 7th scale degree, which is C, because the D minor scale is D. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So you sharpen this from a C to a C sharp on the 5 chord, which changes the A from the A chord from an A minor to an A major. So if you do that, it sounds like this. Which I think sounds better personally. And the reason it works so well, what you're doing is you're temporarily switching keys from the minor scale, from D minor to D harmonic minor when you sharpen this. And it works well because the way it is regularly, like this, this note here stays the same. This note changes 1 semitone, which creates tension, and this note changes 2 semitones. But if you sharpen this, the only movement that's going on is a 1 semitone movement in each instance, and that creates more tension. And I think probably the most famous rap song to use this sort of thing is Lose Yourself by Eminem, when it goes right there. It sharpens before it goes into the type of thing. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Just a quick music theory type of tutorial thing to help you with chord progressions and changing keys and stuff like that. Yeah, that's it. Peace.